All of you know 5 heads of income. फटाफट विपना बता दो 5 heads of income.
Income from salary, income from profession and business, income from capital gain, income from other sources.
Yeah. So 5 heads of income, but today I'll be concentrating on the capital gains only. Capital gains. Capital gains. So after my class, what you are going to learn, please check what are you going to learn. You are going to learn these things. You shall be able to explain the meaning of capital gains. हाँ प्लीज अनम्यूट कर म्यूट करके रखो एवरीबॉडी घर का साउंड आना नहीं चाहिए इसमें डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है म्यूट करके रखो विपना को जब पूछेगा शी विल बी रिप्लाइंग टुडे नेक्स्ट क्लास समवन एल्स so explain you shall be able to explain the meaning of capital gains today that is guaranteed whatever I'm teaching today next few minutes and after that after 1 hour you shall be in a position to define what is capital gains and you shall also able to understand the concept of capital asset because capital asset if there is capital asset then only there will be capital gains if there is no capital asset how can there be capital gain and you shall be able to identify the transactions that gives rise to capital gains ये तुम्हारा क्लियर हो जाएगा तुम्हारा ये भी पता चलेगा capital gains there are two types of capital gains dear students two types of capital gains one is STCG and one is LTCG. STCG means short-term capital gains and LTCG means long-term capital gains. I have already told you these things, so you shall be able to understand these things in a clear way, what is long-term capital gains and what is short-term capital gains. But dear students, please remember after this internship, you should be studying, say, BCom का जो taxation or MCom का, you may be studying CA, ICAA costing. At that time, don't tell that सर इतना ही पढ़ाया था हम तो आज कितना पढ़ते हो कितना पढ़ रहा है बाप रे बाप सर कुछ पढ़ाया नहीं ऐसे इल्जाम मत लगा मुझे बिकॉज मेरा एक छोटा सा ड्यूरेशन में ना सब कुछ सिखाना पॉसिबल नहीं है यू शैल ऑल्सो एग्री लेकिन मैं ये एक बात कर देगा कि तुमको कनेक्ट कर देगा सब्जेक्ट से आई कैनॉट टीच यू ऑल द थिंग्स ऑफ कैपिटल गेन्स व्हिच आर टॉट इन सीए फाइनल और इंटर आई कैनॉट डू इट लेकिन मैं एक काम करके तुम्हारे मन में ये परमानेंट कर देगा कि ये क्लियर होने से ओ क्लियर होगा ये क्लियर से ओ क्लियर होगा सो आई एम सेइंग इट आई एम कन्फेसिंग डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एवरीथिंग टू बी लर्नड इन 30 days or 1 hour so hope you understand me so after my class you shall be able to understand the basic computations of capital gains how capital gains are computed you shall be able to understand and you shall be able to solve simple question problems also छोटा छोटा problem आपको solution में आपको you'll be expert so इतना मैं कर सकता हूँ तुमको 1 घंटे का बाद में you shall be having this knowledge that is my challenge that is my guarantee but after I complete I'll be giving you PDF and I'll giving you my video also and those you use for your assignments and whenever you want to look back to this subject or to any concept please again watch back my video and everybody please subscribe and like and comment in the video nobody has done it as yet I have seen nobody comments nobody likes it's very bad दुख लगता है रोना आ जाता है तुम लोग कुछ नहीं करते हो मेरे लिए लेकिन मैं कितना करता हूँ देखो संडे भी पढ़ा रहा हूँ सो प्लीज डू इट तुम लोग जो मेरा क्लास में था 1 month so it will be there will be some connectivity and in future if I make any videos that will be going directly to you this will be good for you so now dear students please do it as I have told you that is my gain I want to spread it to all of you so now there's a question if you buy a plot of land at 10 lakh rupees and sell it 18 lakh what is your profit बताओ what is your profit called बताओ विपना बताएगा only one today you have purchased a land at 10 lakh और उसको 18 लाख में सेल कर दिया तुम्हारा कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ
Yes, sir.
तुम 10 लाख में एक बिल्डिंग खरीदा है एक लैंड
हाँ सर.
फिर उसको 18 लाख में सेल कर दिया प्रॉफिट कितना है
Yes, sir.
कितना
8 lakhs.
what type of profit is it your salary is it your house rent is it your business ka profit no
It's capital gain.
gains because land is a capital asset and when you sell the land you get some profit that is capital gains clear हो गया फिर सपोज तुम्हारा एक पुराना कार तुम सेल कर दिया, तुम्हारा ये गाड़ी था उसको सेल कर दिया, ये गाड़ी तुम खरीदा था सपोज 10 लाख में, नाउ सेलिंग एट 5 लाख, सो इज देयर एनी प्रॉफिट और नॉट देयर? You purchased the car at 10 lakh and now सेल कर दिया 5 लाख में, प्रॉफिट है ना लॉस है?
लॉस है सर।
ओके, सपोज ये जो कार है ना, ये कार 10 लाख में खरीदा था, फिर अभी 2 साल में ना इसका 10 इयर्स में डिप्रिसिएशन हो गया था इसका 6 लाख। सो 10 लाख से डिप्रिसिएशन 6 लाख माइनस करने से इसका वैल्यू, रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू हो जाता है 4 लाख एंड यू हैव सोल्ड एट 5 लाख। हाउ इज देयर लॉस विपना? तब तो लॉस नहीं है।
हाँ, डिप्रिशिएशन होने से तो लॉस नहीं होगा सर, क्योंकि उसका वैल्यू घट जाता है ना
सो
यूज
दैट इज
करते करते।
डेप्रिसिएशन लेके ना हम लोग उसको एडजस्ट करके ही निकालेगा। एक नॉलेज तुमको मिल गया, जहां डिप्रिसिएशन करना है वहां डिप्रिसिएशन करके ही प्रॉफिट निकालेगा। फिर देखो आज का वैल्यू लेगा, फिर तुम्हारा जो लैंड है 10 लाख का खरीदा था, वो 10 लाख का लैंड तुम 18 लाख में सेल किया एंड आई थिंक देयर इज 2 लाख लॉस, मे बी देयर, बिकॉज what you purchased at 10 lakh, after 20 years इसका वैल्यू 20 लाख हो गया था और तुम आज 18 लाख में सेल कर दिया, इज नॉट इट देयर इज लॉस? तो लैंड का, बिल्डिंग का वैल्यू इंक्रीजेस, so that is known as appreciation. All students can understand, students from mathematics background can also understand the land, building, these things value increases. When the value increases, then you have to take the increased value to calculate the gain or loss. So you have to see these things. This I'm going to teach you. And suppose you are selling your share or gold at a profit, तो ये प्रॉफिट कहाँ पे जाएगा? तुम शेयर खरीदा था and now selling at a profit. So gold खरीदा था, you selling at a profit. These are all capital gains. But there may be loss also. Then is capital loss. Capital loss. Everybody understanding? Shangita Sharma, are you understanding? चिराग समझ में आ रहा है?
यस सर।
ओके ओके, सो कैपिटल गेन, कैपिटल लॉस, ये चैप्टर हम अभी क्लियर कर रहा है। ओके ठीक है, सो चलो आगे देखते हैं क्या है। समटाइम्स वी अर्न इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी और बिजनेस, बट फ्रॉम सेलिंग आवर वैल्यूएबल एसेट, माने नॉट फ्रॉम सैलरी और बिजनेस बट सेलिंग ऑफ, दिस इज समरी, वी सेल वैल्यूएबल एसेट एंड गेन प्रॉफिट, दैट इज कैपिटल गेन्स। सो व्हाट इज कैपिटल गेन्स? ये बात पढ़ो, विपना पढ़ो, व्हाट इज कैपिटल गेन्स जोर से।
A capital gain is the profit arising from the transfer of capital asset. In simple words, when a person sells a capital asset for more than its cost, the profit is called capital gain.
And if the sale price is less, then it is
Capital loss.
good. So we shall be learning this is simple example को बता दो, एग्जांपल बताओ, एक तो एग्जांपल दिया, समझाओ इसको, तुम समझाओ।
Simple example, Mr. Arun purchased a plot of land for 8 lakhs. After a few years, he sold it for 12 lakhs. Profit, 12 lakh minus 8 lakhs, that is 4 lakh. The profit is called capital gain.
Clear? So everybody understands it. सबको पता चल गया ये क्या है। We are starting and going very small way, very easily, and everybody is understanding, that is very 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 good. Everybody is understanding, and इसमें कुछ नहीं है ऐसे लग रहा है सर इतना इजी है क्या? इतना ही इजी है। ओके, तो कैपिटल गेन वी हैव अंडरस्टूड विपना, बट कैपिटल गेन्स comes out of sale of capital asset. Everybody understands it. Suppose you have got some closing stock. Stock means what? Stock means unsold goods. The goods that you have purchased for selling but could not sell within one financial year. So those unsold goods you have sold. This is not capital asset. याद रखो, capital asset क्या है? You have to understand. Don't confuse. That's why I have put it. You have some goods you have purchased or you have manufactured some product. and you have manufactured or you have purchased naturally for sale. But at the end of the year, you have seen that this is not sold. So it comes in trading account by closing stock. Next year ka trading account mein it will be opening stock. So when you sell this stock, will you say it's capital gain? No, because this stock or unsold goods is not capital asset. Clear rakho? Clear. So what is capital asset? Vipana, your duty to samjhana.
Meaning of capital asset. A capital asset means property of any kind owned by a person. Examples include land, building, house, flat, gold, jewelry, shares.
ये सब क्या है? कैपिटल एसेट.
Capital
कैपिटल एसेट का
asset.
एग्जांपल, एक बात तुमको मैं बोल के रखता हूँ इधर, तुम लोग को मजा आ जाएगा. बिल्डिंग क्या है? कैपिटल एसेट. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज नॉट कैपिटल एसेट. करेक्ट? ठीक है? ये सुन लो. अरे कोई भी यस बोलो ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because everybody cannot talk because there will be some problem. One person is captain है ना तुम आज. आज का तुम कैप्टन है तो. CR.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay,
building
sir.
is capital asset. तुम्हारा क्लियर हो गया. Because building is fixed asset. You have understood. But I give you an example. मैं इसको भी झटका लगा सकता हूँ. पॉलिटिक्स से कर सकता हूँ. उस दिन जो किया था ना क्लास में, कुछ झटका लगाया था क्या? याद है? In certain points. देखो.
हाँ सर.
Suppose there is a person who, everybody listen. Any doubt? I'll be taking up your doubt. If anybody having any doubt, please note somewhere. And when I'll be talking to everyone together at the end of the class, you please ask me your doubt. That will be more systematic. Okay, so no. One person, he has a building, he stays there, lives there, sings there, dances there, eats food there, he does everything there. So ठीक है, वो आपको self occupied property हो गया. But another person, ना उसी person का he has another 20 buildings. He purchases building and sells building, purchases building and sells building, again purchases buildings and sells buildings. So for him, those buildings are, will you say capital asset? सोचने वाली बात है. His business is real estate business. Purchase, business, sell business, purchase, business, sell business. So business, for him, this building is just like books for a bookseller. A bookseller purchases books and sells books. So books are goods for him. They're not capital asset. So for a person who regularly purchases building and sells building, those buildings, you cannot say this is capital asset. सोचने का बात है. I'll be ready with your questions. सोचना इसको. But otherwise these are capital asset. Very nice capital asset. अच्छा और भी एग्जांपल बताओ capital asset का.
Bonds, mutual fund units, machinery plant. These assets may be used for personal or investment purposes.
Yeah, you have used for personal use, you use for investment purposes, whatever may be, but these are capital asset. These are capital asset. Investment purposes, remember, your money, invested money there. Why? Because in future you shall be earning profit out of them. So this is investment purpose. Or maybe you using for your personal use. No problem. In both cases, these are capital asset. But when you purchase goods and sell goods, purchase goods and sell goods, those goods that you purchase for sale, these are not capital asset. These are current asset. If you sell those goods, these are not capital income. Capital gains is not there. So you have to understand the difference between business and capital gains. This is a very important point to understand. I'll be happy with your questions later on. Now, example of capital asset बताओ. Residential house, जिसमें तुम रहते हो.
Residential house, yes, capital assets. Commercial house, yes,
सुनो, वो
capital.
हाउस प्रॉपर्टी का सर फिर मिक्स मत करना. डोंट मिक्स अप विथ हाउस प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज डिफरेंट चैप्टर. हाउस प्रॉपर्टी इज नॉट, there you don't earn profit by selling. There you earn profit from rent or capacity to earn rent. That is house property. But when you sell it, it becomes capital gains. अपना घर भी सेल कर दिया, सेल्फ ऑक्यूपाइड हाउस प्रॉपर्टी, you have sold it out. That is also capital gains. Clear? हो रहा है? Clear?
Yes.
अभी बताओ.
Sir.
हैं?
Gold jewelry, yes, it's a capital asset. Share, yes, it's a capital asset.
But
Agricultural land
but
in rural area,
hmm,
no.
no. Agricultural, but generally no. In certain cases, this also becomes capital asset. कभी कभी वो भी हो जाता है अगर सिटी में है तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्टिकुलर रूल वो अभी छोड़ो सब्जेक्ट टू इनकम टैक्स एक्ट में आ जाता है ठीक है फैंसी बाजार में सिख टेम्पल का सामने यू आर हैविंग ए लैंड उधर कभी कभार यू planted flowers and all and you is thinking it is agricultural no if you sell it out capital gains will be coming but in a village remote area rural area you are having a land which is used for agriculture and you sell it out and earn profit this is not capital asset there will be no taxation on the farmer for capital in the name of capital asset नहीं होगा so those things one has to understand but this understanding takes time but minimum sense I'm giving you now those things lots of controversies are also there in certain cases controversies between big learned people controversies there वो बोलता है this is capital asset नहीं capital asset नहीं तो both of them say okay let's go to court this happens. Let's go to court to decide whether it's capital asset or not capital asset. Then it gives the income tax laws there. That this is capital asset or not capital asset is determined ultimately by court. So these things are controversy. I'll not bring you to the controversy at this stage because you are only learning the basic concepts, fundamentals. वो बड़ा क्लास का लिए है लेकिन तुमको थोड़ा सा बोल के रखो कि इन फ्यूचर क्या हो सकता है what you may have to face problems in practical field. Cash, is it capital asset?
No.
No.
Hmm.
अच्छा अभी एक काम करो कैप्टन चेंज कर देता हूँ क्योंकि सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए अभी रिंकी को ले लेता हूँ
Yes,
कैप्टन
sir.
रिंकी क्योंकि विपाना नीड्स वाटर टू ड्रिंक रिंकी कहाँ है
Yes, yes, sir.
Rinki, you tell me what is capital, what is transfer? Because capital asset and capital gains, in between these two, there should be transfer, means sale.
Yes, sir.
So only sale is not transfer. That's a very important point, Rinki. Say transfer is not
Yes, sir.
only sale. So long I have told you when you sell a capital asset, then you earn some profit. It's okay. When you sell capital asset, you earn profit, and that profit is capital gains. That much is easy to understand. But then only sale is not transfer. So we shall understand transfer. Sale is one of the items of transfer. रिंकी समझ रहा है
हाँ
अभी
सर
तुम
मुझे
बताओ अभी तुम बताओ what is transfer बताओ let me tell you what
Okay.
tell me what is transfer it's very important dear students this point very important at basic level what is transfer
Capital gain arises only when there is a transfer of a capital asset. Transfer generally includes sale, exchange, relinquishment, compulsory acquisition, in basic idea. For beginners, focus mainly on
yes
sale.
see when I started this chapter today I told you that when an asset is sold then you have some profit that is capital gains or loss that is capital loss I started my word with sale only but in practice sale may not be only sale may not be there there may be suppose you are having a building or land in Adabari Maligaon near the road now government wants to expand the road then government tells you, you give me your building. You say, this is my building. I have paper, document. Why should I give you? The government said, I have to expand my road for the benefit of the people of the country. Then you said, be then what will happen to me? Government said, तुम एक काम करो ना तुम इसको छोड़ के दूसरा जगह में take land or building at other places and I'll give you 20 crores. तुम बोला मजा आ गया मजा आ गया that is known as compulsory acquisition is against this na lot of laws rules lot of things are there how can you value 20 crore then what was the price at what you purchased in past the difference will be your profit but there are lots of points to calculate I'll not take it now at this basic level there are lots of other points to calculate also regarding this profit here because you might have purchased this land, your great grandparent purchased at 10,000, this building in Adabari. And now government is giving you 20 crores. Is the difference so big difference? Is your profit totally? No. So how to calculate? All these things I'll be discussing. You shall be learning in higher classes. Anyway, अभी बताओ, पढ़ो. 10 minutes है.
For example, Mr. Ravi sells his land. The sale is a transfer. If profit arises, capital gain is taxable.
Clear? Okay. Now
Yes,
next
sir.
point. Next point. Bhargav is there? Bhargav is not there. Then who is there? Sangita? Sangita Sharma is there? I think they have joined in and left and doing some other work. Chinmoy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Chinmoy. Chinmoy, now you tell us that there are two types of capital gains. You explain.
So there are two types of capital gains, short-term capital gains. If a capital asset is held for a shorter period before transfer, the gain is called short-term capital gains. The exact period depends on the type of asset under the Income Tax Act. For this introductory course, students should remember short holding period, short-term capital gains.
Okay. So short-term capital gain, earlier it was that if you sell the building or asset within 36 months, it is short-term. And if it is more than 36 months, it is long-term. It was earlier. But now, in share and other asset, it is less than 12 months is short-term and more than 12 months is long-term. But specific, what is the period, how many months or year, it depends these days, it depends on the particular case of the Income Tax Act. Income Tax 8 it tells you this is short term within this period, long term within this period. These things are there. So in higher studies you will be learning it. But you read this one.
Example: Mr. Amit purchased shares and sold them after a short period. Profit earned equal to short-term capital
So
gains.
another type of capital gains, what is it? Another type of capital gain, what is it?
Long-term capital gains.
Batao.
If a capital asset is held for a longer period before transfer, the gain is called long-term capital gains. The holding period differ for different asset under the Income Tax Act. For beginners, simply remember long-term holding equal to long-term capital gains.
Okay, you shall learn it. I'll be giving you because time is, it will be over in 7 minutes. Difference between short-term LTCG and STCG, please you learn yourself in assignment. And basic computation, please see how to compute. See sale price, from sale price you minus, deduct cost price and it will be capital gains. Very, very easy to understand. No long calculation, but lots of provisions are there. Now sale price is 9 lakh and cost is 6 lakh 50. So capital gain is 2 lakh 50,000. Very easy to understand. Now there are lots of adjustments also there. This will be taught in higher classes. Additional adjustments such as transfer expenses, cost of adjustment may be considered. They are beyond this. These are not here. In introductory class, we shall not take so tough things now, but we shall make clear what is capital gains. And see numerical illustration I have given. मुस्कान ये तुम्हारे लिए है प्रॉब्लम 1 तुम समझाओ न्यूमेरिकल इलस्ट्रेशन कुछ दे दिया मैं you have to complete in 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. Problem 1. Mr. Suman purchased gold for rupees 4,50,000. He sold it later for rupees 6,20,000. Calculate the capital gain. Solution: sale price equals to rupees 6,20,000. Less cost of purchase rupees 4,50,000. Capital gain is equal to
So this
rupees
type of
1,70,000.
question you can solve it.
Yes, sir.
And this is very easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but complex things will be coming in higher classes. I am starting from very zero level. And Shangita, you explain the next one. Problem 2. Shangita is there? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Shangita is there? Please explain number 2.
Yes, sir.
Problem 2.
Mr. Anita purchased a residential plot of 12 lakh and she sold it for 18 lakh 50,000. Calculate the capital gain. Solution: sale price 18 lakh 50,000 less cost of purchase 12 lakh and capital gain 6,50,000.
Ekdam clear? Fully clear
Yes,
this
sir.
question? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, be smart because time is a problem here. Okay, now classroom activity will be explained by Jerifa Begum. Jerifa, classroom ka activity thoda batao. Capital asset, which is capital asset, which is not. Jerifa, be quick. Jerifa has gone out. Jyotiraditya? Yes, yes,
Classroom
Jyotiraditya.
activity, whether the following items are capital assets. Residential house, yes. Gold jewelry, yes. Shares, yes. Cash, no. Commercial building, yes. Machinery, yes. Rural agricultural land, generally no.
Rural agriculture and generally no, but there may be some, it depends on certain provisions of tax, so it depends on the particular case. And quick quiz कौन बताएगा? रोहन मराक. Quiz तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा सा फटाफट बता दो.
Yes, sir. Profit from transfer of capital asset is called capital gain.
Next,
Yes, sir.
next.
Land is a capital asset. Sale of capital asset is called transfer. Capital gains are one of the 5 heads of income. Share are example of capital assets.
Very good. Very good. That multiple choice questions I've given. Running short of time, it will be cut off. You see these things, and you see these things yourself. Let this be homework. Homework means classwork. After this class, we'll be
Yes,
doing,
sir.
and I'll be coming back at 1 p.m. once again for the next part because I want to complete all the heads today, other sources, so that tomorrow I can start the income tax act 2025.
sir.
हाँ, ये सब तुम खुद देखेगा, ये सब. And अभी जब कट जाएगा ना, when it will be cut off
Yes, sir.
the time, then you don't leave. I'll be giving you another link so that I can discuss your doubts. ठीक है? अभी कट जाएगा 3 मिनट, 2 मिनट में. So summary बताओ, summary बताएगा मुस्कान. आज का क्लास का summary मुस्कान बताओ.
Yes, sir. Summary, capital gain is the profit earned from the transfer of a capital asset. Common capital asset include land, buildings, jewelry, shares, and machinery. Capital gains arise only when there is a transfer of a capital asset, such as through sale. Capital gains are broadly classified into short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain, depending on the period of holding. At the introductory level, capital gain can be calculated as sale price minus cost of purchase equals to capital gain.
Very easy. Now, these assignments
sir.
I've given you, these assignments you'll be solving after my class now, and I'll be get back to you at 1 p.m. only today. And see, these problems will be solving. These will be, assignments will be submitting tomorrow, giving today's date. And theory question, these are the assignment. These are the assignments. This much only. So this actually, this Zoom, what happening helps to record properly, but it has got limited timings. So it will be cut off now, and I'll be coming back with a new link just now for discussing your doubts. So please wait. I'm closing this recording.